First of all, to jailbreak your iPod, we are using an iPod in this instance. First of all, you need to navigate to www.jailbreakme.com, as you can see. Once you're on the website, just press it here. It will confront you with the screen that's sync up in a moment. Confront you with the screen, it'll say jailbreak me at the top, give you some instructions what to do. It does suggest that you actually sync your iPod with iTunes before you carry out the jailbreak, just so you have all your information backed up. So what we're going to do is go ahead and slide this little slider across all the way, and what I'll do now is it'll start to jailbreak the iPod. It does give you instructions about what the installer is doing throughout the process. In this moment it's downloading. We are connected to Wi-Fi, so it should be quite quick. So while it's installing, I'll just talk through some of the benefits of actually jailbreaking your iPod. One of the obvious benefits is a lot of the applications that you see on the Apple App Store you can actually get for free on the installer. Cydia also allows you to install themes on your iPod. You can also get tethering free if you're on an iPhone. Other features, there's lots of other features. Basically what you need to do is download sources which allow you to access more applications and more different features. So it's nearly downloaded the jailbreaking. Once it's downloaded the jailbreak, I'll give you a demo on the laptop so it's more clear. I do apologise for the poor quality of the camera. Obviously I'm recording off the iPod screen. As you can see, it says jailbreaking. Tell them to sit tight. What I will do, I'll edit this down so it's a lot shorter so you can actually see the finished product. So once the jailbreak process has been finished, you'll be confronted with a screen that tells you that Cydia, which is the application that contains all the processes within jailbreaking, has been added to the desktop. So if you go ahead and press the OK button, then go to the home screen, you can see that on the other page there's been a Cydia icon which has been added. So once you click on this icon, it'll take you to the Cydia homepage. It takes a while for it to load up. Obviously this is the first time it's loaded up Cydia. This is what options you normally get once you've opened Cydia. So if we go, for the purpose of this video, I won't go into great detail, but we'll just go on to the user graphics only. Once we go on that, it will load up Cydia. Along the bottom here, you have different options. You have Cydia itself, which is the home page, which is just loading up. I'll show you that in a moment. We have sections, changes, manage and search. So search allows you to search all the packages within Cydia if you want to find an application. Manage, you can add different sources. Changes just tells you what changes you've made to Cydia in recent bits, and sections, if we go into it, is everything that is on Cydia, everything in different categories. So if we go back to the Cydia homepage, Let's load up, take a few seconds. So here it tells you a little bit about Cydia, all the stuff. So all the frequently asked questions, and some of the featured applications such as My3G, which allows you to turn your iPhone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So that's Cydia installed. So continue to follow on this video to see how to install installation and also install some cool and key applications, and I'll also show you how to change themes on your actual iPod. So thank you for watching, and continue to watch the video. So once Cydia has been installed on the iPod, I have the iPod here. You can also see it on my computer. I'll show you how to do that in a later video, which is through the features of Cydia yet again. So once it's been installed, if we go onto the second page, we'll see we have Cydia on the bottom row. So we go into Cydia, and one of the first things that you would want to install is the installers application. We'll just let Cydia load up here. Basically what the installers does is replicate the genuine Apple application store and allows you to download those applications without charge. So a lot of the applications that are on the Apple Store are actually free. So what we need to do to get onto the installers application is actually add a new source. So what we're going to do when Cydia loads up is go to the Manage tab at the bottom, and then we're going to add a new source and then download the installers app, which I'll take you through. So once Cydia has loaded up, we'll do that. So let's just wait for it. While it's loading up, I'll just take you through a little bit of the background. So you've jailbroken your iPod at this moment if you're following the video along. So just opened up Cydia, and now we're going to add a new source and hopefully get the installers package. So we go to sources, press the sources button, as you can see, and first of all we're going to hit the edit tab on the top right hand corner, which will allow us to add a new source. So we'll go ahead and press that. Let's wait for it to load up. Obviously it's quite slow because Cydia is not full, it's basically an open source. It's not hosted by a professional company, so it's quite slow, and bearing in mind this is the first generation iPod, this is one of the first iPods that came out. It's not going to be as fast as an iPhone 3GS or an iPhone 4 for example. I already had this source installed, but to easily add a source, click the edit button and press add. They don't ask you to enter a URL. The URL that we entered was cydia.hack u.us. So once that is entered, just press the add source button. They'll ask you if you're sure that you want to add this source, and the Cydia team do not take responsibility for the applications that you download because they're not in control of them. So once that is added, you will be returned to the managing menu, which will show you hackuload.us, which you've added. So if you go ahead and press it, and press the done button at the top, press hackers, it will come up with a list of all the things. So what we're going to do is go down to installers, as you can see it's there. So go ahead and press that, and you'll be taken to install it. Simply press the button in the top right hand corner to install it. So we'll press that. It also gives you a little description of what the application does, and that is basically a rule of thumb for all the applications on the Cydia stores. So go ahead and give you a little brief outline how much disk space it's going to use, some modifications, and press the confirm button. Go ahead and run the installer to actually install the installers application. So let's wait for that. I'll give you a little description of the stuff that's installed below. So we'll just wait for that to happen. Then once it's completed, I'll show you the installers application on the desktop. So just installing here. It will give you a little brief outline of the console and what it's doing, and basically the processes that it's carrying out to install. This is normally for every single application. So we'll just wait for it to install, and I'll show you the application. I'll actually remind you that you can add various other sources which allow you to download applications. I'll show you good sources in a future range of videos. I'll also show you some more hints and tips regarding themes and other applications, maybe some hacks, stuff that will increase your productivity and possibly the leisure that you get out of using an iPod or an iPhone.